Okay, this roundabout up here, I'm giving way to people ahead. I can see we've got a black car there that's a similar distance away as me. So I'm going to slow down in case he turns. There you go, there's my gap before that white one. And there's another roundabout just afterwards, so I'm already planning what's coming up towards me on this one. So if they're turning right again, that's what I'm going to give way to. I can already see there's nobody there, so I'm good to go. Nobody pulling out on the left either. Okay, this mini roundabout, I can already see there's something coming up from ahead there, but after that it's clear. So I know there's nothing on my right, nobody at the roundabout pulling out from the left either. We're good to go. Okay, the next roundabout, I'm starting to get a better view from ahead now. I'm looking well into the distance, there's nothing at all there. Not until the one that's too far away anyway, so I'm going to stay ahead of that. There's nobody on the left. As you see, even if it did turn right, I'm clear. Okay, this roundabout looks a bit busier from ahead. We've got quite a few cars coming up. And I can't tell if there's any signals on that. Front one is. So I'm going to keep away. I can find a gap between the silver car and the red car, which I'm taking. Okay, approaching the roundabout from this direction. We're approaching the T-junction part now. I'm going to turn right, so this is going to be similar to a T-junction how I approach it. But the only difference is I'm only giving priority to the right, not to the left, so the main focus is on the right. Okay, we've got a gap there, good to go. And you'll notice that on the left there was somebody approaching, but they give way to me as they should. Okay, we've got a gap there, good to go. And you'll notice that on the left there was somebody approaching, but they give way to me as they should. Okay, so now then at this roundabout, this time we've got the exits to the right and ahead instead of left and ahead. So my main observation point will be from the direct right this time, and I can see the view's getting better already. I can see there's something approaching, but I've got room because I'm ahead of him. This time, and I can see the view's getting better already. I can see there's something approaching, but I've got room because I'm ahead of him. Okay, and at this mini roundabout we're going to turn right this time, so again it's still the same priorities as when I went ahead. I'm still giving way to people from the right. There's not anybody on the right. That second car should wait for me, which he has. So we're good to go. Okay, this mini roundabout we're approaching from the T-junction side again, so again the view's going to be more limited. So we're going to have to get a lot slower for this than what we would for the ones where I had the better view. Although now I've got a view, that's clear. And the second roundabout there's nothing on the right either, so we're carrying safe to carry on. Okay, we're going to be going left at this mini roundabout. You'll notice that with this one, the view on the right isn't very good. So we're going to make the most of these blockers. The people opposite are going to be taking the same exit as this, and this white one does, which they haven't. So I'm going to slow down more. No, nothing's on the right. But if that white car would have come up the same way as what I came from, then that would have blocked off the traffic on the right and it would have kept flowing. Okay, we're approaching this mini roundabout. I'm just looking from ahead. We're going straight on. We've got 4 cars coming, so I'm going to slow down and get there after the 4th car, because after that there's nothing. You see we've got the black one behind that. They've gone straight, so I'll carry on. So So what it is, you're trying to find a gap in the traffic rather than looking at traffic and wondering which way they're going. You just try and find a gap. If you've got a gap, there's no danger, there's nobody there to give way to. So again, I'm looking ahead at this roundabout. I see there's a van coming, but it's further away than I am. So I'm not concerned, there's nobody on the left. This roundabout, I see I've got a good view of who I'm giving way to. There's no rights, it's people from ahead turning right, there's nothing there. I'm going to slow down still because somebody might pull out from the left like that car there. Well, that was fine. This time at this roundabout we have the exit to the right and ahead, so I'm more concerned about what's coming from the right. I can see the head's clear, so there's nobody blocking the right. So I'm going to slow down because the view's not great. But we're good to go. Nobody there. Okay, so approaching the next mini roundabout. Again, we've got the exit ahead and an exit to the right. So there's no blockers coming up from ahead, so anything from the right could just pull out. But the right's clear, so I can carry on. So the blockers are them coming ahead who may go straight on, because if they go straight on, then the people on the right can't move off. So as long as you get there at the same time, we can continue. And again, there's no blockers ahead in this roundabout, so I may be concerned about the right. And again, that's clear. Okay, this mini roundabout's a little bit tricky because it's a 4 exit mini roundabout. We're going to be turning left. That car coming out of the drive, just give me a signal a bit longer, but I'm checking on mirrors. So it's still the same rules apply, but this time there's 2 directions people might come from. So we've got the people ahead, which is clear, and we've got the people on the right, which as well is clear. There's a black car, but there's plenty of space to carry on, which you'll see in the interior of the rear camera now. It's still waiting at the roundabout anyway. It's clear, we've got the people on the right, which as well is clear. There's a black car, but there's plenty of space to carry on, which you'll see in the interior of the rear camera now. It's still waiting at the roundabout anyway.